Negotiable Instruments Act, Section 128, Payment in due course of crossed cheque. Section 128 of the Negotiable Instruments Act, 1881 protects a banker who pays a crossed cheque in due course by placing the banker in the same legal position as if payment had been made to the true owner. The provision also protects the drawer in certain cases and promotes confidence in banking operations where parties act honestly and with due care. 1. Meaning of crossed cheque. A crossed cheque is a cheque bearing marks or instructions on its face directing that payment be made only through banking channels. Such crossing may be general or special and provides greater security by reducing the risk of wrongful encashment. 2. Meaning of payment in due course. Payment in due course means payment made according to the apparent tenor of the instrument, in good faith, and without negligence. Such payment must be made to the proper person entitled to receive it, and the banker must act honestly and with reasonable care. 3. Purpose of Section 128. The object of Section 128 is to protect the paying banker and the drawer when a crossed cheque is paid properly and in accordance with statutory requirements. The section encourages smooth cheque transactions, protects bankers from unnecessary liability, and maintains confidence in banking systems while balancing commercial convenience with security. 4. Protection to paying banker. The section provides that a banker who pays a crossed cheque in due course receives legal protection and is treated as though payment had been made to the true owner. Accordingly, even if the recipient is later found not to be the true owner, the banker remains protected provided the payment was made properly and without negligence. 5. Importance of acting in due course. The protection under Section 128 is available only when payment is made in due course and in compliance with the requirements of the law. Accordingly, the banker must follow crossing instructions, exercise reasonable care, and act without negligence or bad faith, failing which the statutory protection may be lost. 6. Protection to drawer. The section also protects the drawer of the cheque where the cheque has reached the payee and payment has been made in due course. In such cases, the drawer is discharged from liability and treated as though payment had reached the true owner, thereby preventing repeated claims after proper payment. 7. Meaning of same rights and position. The section provides that the banker and the drawer are placed in the same position as if payment had been made to the true owner of the cheque. Accordingly, their liability is discharged, they are protected against future claims relating to the cheque, and the payment is treated as legally valid and effective. 8. Reason behind the protection. Bankers process a very large number of cheque transactions daily, and exposing them to unlimited liability despite acting carefully and honestly would make banking operations difficult. Such liability would also cause delays and uncertainty in commercial transactions, and the law therefore grants protection where payment is made properly and without negligence. 9. Commercial importance. Section 128 is commercially significant because it protects honest bankers acting with due care, promotes efficient cheque clearing, encourages confidence in crossed cheque transactions, and supports the smooth functioning of modern banking systems. For more details, contact us.